bear. This is a polar bear. Polar bear lives in the snow mountains. Wow, they're beautiful animals. Polar bear. The next one is a fox. This is a fox. A fox is a very intelligent animal. This is a fox. The next one is a tiger. A tiger is a wild animal. This is a very dangerous animal. This is a tiger. The next one is a porcupine. This is a porcupine. A porcupine is a very dangerous animal.